How to fix TikTok birthday problem. In this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix the birthday problem in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. And after that, now all what you wanna do here is wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After that, scroll all the way down until you find TikTok. When you find it, all what you wanna do is just click on it like this and then click on this force stop option. And when you click on the force stop, now you have to open the storage right here and then click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and now you have to do one last thing, which is open the data usage like this and make sure to enable all those options. Now all what you want to do is just restart your phone and reopen TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe.